The Fitbit app is now the Google Health app. With a Google Health Premium subscription, you get access to the Google Health Coach built with Gemini. Your coach uses the goals you set and the data you track to provide personalized fitness plans and sleep guidance. The more you share, the more your coach learns over time and the better the personalized recommendations get. First, get started with a goal-setting conversation with your coach. You can find this immediately after activating your premium membership or look out for a reminder on the top of the Today's stream or on your Fitness tab. Share your goals and what works for you, like your favorite ways to exercise or your busy days during the week, so your coach can provide you with a more personalized plan. Start a conversation with your coach at any time to change or update your goals. Once goal setting is complete, your coach will create a fitness plan for you and begin to deliver personalized insights daily. Check out the Fitness tab for your plan details. Here, you'll see recommendations for weekly goals like get 350 cardio load or do 3 strength sessions, along with recommendations for specific exercises to achieve those goals. These update every week, and you can adjust your plan at any time from the Fitness tab or by chatting with the coach. Wear your device at night and check in on the Sleep tab for a detailed breakdown on how you slept, see trends, and get coach's advice on how to tackle the day ahead to feel more energetic and get better sleep over time. Use the Today tab to see updates and feedback from your coach as you make progress. If you track your sleep at night, you can see a summary of how you slept and your coach's recommendations for the day. Or if you track a workout, you can see your coach's feedback and analysis. Use the Sleep and Health tabs for additional insights or to opt in to additional offerings like high or low heart rate or irregular rhythm notifications. Chat with your coach 24/7 to log meals, activities, or for science-backed answers to your questions. Get started with your coach today for personalized and proactive guidance to help you achieve your goals.